Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I apply my lashes. So right now I'm getting dolled up to go nowhere. The virus is out, so I'm just going to show you guys how I do my lashes. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos, I have a few videos of me wearing my favorite lashes. And it is these. Ooh. Okay, so right now I'm just taking the extra glue off because I had these on yesterday, I think. I can't remember. Okay, cool. So as we get started, you only need 3 things to apply your lashes. One, of course, is going to be the lashes. Second would be the glue. And then third would be tweezers. Some people do it with their hands, but I prefer tweezers. And yeah, that's just, I feel like that makes it easier for you to do. This is duo glue. Now that the top is off, I went ahead and put my lashes on my tweezers. And I'm holding them like this. Also with the tweezers, always get, hold on. Always get the wide look. Don't get these. I feel like these tweezers are for plucking, like your eyebrows or something. Now that we have our lashes, we're gonna go in with the duo glue. So I'm just, can y'all see that? Ooh, see, I freaking squeeze it too hard. This should be oozing out. So I'm just gliding it on there. You see I was a lot in the middle. So I'm gonna just spread it out with the tip of the duo glue. And now we're gonna let it dry. Alright you guys, so I end up putting a little more glue on the end than the front. You can start seeing the white kind of ease its way into being clear. So that's how you kind of know it's like, okay, it's ready to be put on. Alright, so, oh! Y'all ain't see that. Okay, so now that I know this is at a good state, I can go ahead and start applying it. I put my lashes on. Y'all see my natural lashes and then these lashes. I get close enough to where I could just lay the lashes, the false lashes on top. Once I put it on, I'ma push down on it and then press and hold it, and then the middle is stuck, it's sticking. So now I'm gonna go in with the end, do the same thing, push down and press. I'm gonna do the same thing for the front, push down and press. Alright, and it's on. It's just going to finish drying on your eye. I'm getting cuts. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the right one. Get your glue, start squeezing it a little bit. See, I was careful that time. And then just glide it across. Glide it across. And we're gonna let it dry. Semi-dry. Alright, so now I think it's ready. Some of the white is slowly starting to look clear, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Get close enough. And then push down and press. Boom. Alright, so we did the middle. I'm gonna do the front this time, and then we're gonna do the back. And then boom, there it is. Your lashes are on. They long, they're luscious, they look like yours, but not really, not this length, but they on your face. but I'm gonna give y'all a close look of them. And okay, you guys, that's how you apply your lashes. You know, see, that was easy, right? Simple and easy. All right, you guys, so this is the end of the video. You know, how did I do? Do you think it was like easy? It was easy, right? And we is lit. But if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.